y'all. Up close and personal again with Billy J. Here we go. So I always get asked a lot of questions about how I do my natural hair. Today we're not doing a makeup video, no makeup. Ain't got time for all that. Behind schedule, like always. But we're gonna do this natural hair right quick. This is after the shower, wet. Not, I didn't wash it. I haven't put no conditioner in it. This is my natural curl pattern. This is how it look with no product, nothing. I just wet it. That's it. Because the thing is, I put an egg in my hair to hold the curl pattern for me. People always look at me crazy when I say I put an egg in my hair, but literally, it's an egg, like an egg. But anywho, first we re-wet my hair because it's too dry right now. So this is spray bottle. We just gonna wet it again just to get it wet because it's getting dry, like I said. Because I do leave a little conditioner in my hair because I don't want to walk around smelling like an egg. Like, I don't even like eggs, y'all. I don't eat eggs. I don't want no scrambled eggs, no deviled eggs, no angel eggs, boiled eggs. None of that. I don't eat it. I don't eat it at all. So I have no problem with putting the egg in my hair if it adds protein to your hair and yada, 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 all that good stuff it's supposed to do. I don't know what all it does. My mom just told me it's good for your hair, and so I did it. But, and really, it's just the egg white that's really the important part. That's putting all the nutrients and stuff in your hair. But I put the whole thing in my hair. I do the whole thing. Alrighty. Usually I use Pantene conditioner. Let's get these keys off of me while I'm doing my hair. Usually I use my Pantene conditioner, but I'm out. So all I got is this little Nutri-Dream. I don't even know how to say it, y'all. Yeah, this conditioner that I done got from a hotel one day that I went to. No shame in my game, honey. I'm about to use it. If it's on me here. Oh, yeah, it's in here. Yeah, I'm not farting. I swear I'm not. It's the conditioner. Okay. So, the conditioner. Here it is. The struggle. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to it. Make sure it's all through there. It's probably not, but this is what I call my on the go. Like this is my wash and go. This is my wash and go. Like, even though we're not going all the way. I would usually do this in the shower, of course. But I'm not about to bring my phone in the shower with me. You know, people have done that. Like, they put their bathing suit top on and get in the shower, record. But I'm not doing all that. I gotta go to work. Okay, y'all. I give up on this conditioner. We're gonna go ahead and add this, stir this egg up. All the way. Because you don't want no clumps in your hair. Like, the pieces of egg, like, I live in Atlanta. It be hot. Like, I come out with a scrambled egg in my head. Like, seriously. Oh, y'all. I should have got a towel. I did not think about that. Okay. I think that's ready. We gonna be right back because I gotta go get a towel. Alright. Back with my handy dandy towel. We're gonna go on and add this egg in my hair. I don't need this fork. I'm hungry. And no, I'm not gonna eat this egg. Because I don't eat eggs. But literally pouring it into my hand, it gets messy, y'all. Usually I'm doing this all in the shower. And I'm like fully dressed. That was not a good idea. But whatever. And I'm literally rubbing the egg through my hair. Just like I rub the conditioner in my hair. Now, I have like, I will like, if I'm doing a press out on my hair, which I'm not doing, I will leave this, like once I wash and conditioner my hair, I'll leave this in my hair as a deep conditioner, you know, that type thing. Just to still get that nutrients all through my hair and stuff, that whatever the egg provides. I don't know what our mama told me, but yeah, she should never told me that, because then she got mad and was like, you ain't gonna be wasting up all my egg and yada yada yada. Lady, you're the one who told me that it was good for my hair. Like, don't you want my hair to be healthy? Hello. So then I got to the point I had to start buying my own eggs. So, like, if you look in our refrigerator, like, it's a box of eggs that says hair, and then it's a regular box of eggs for my brother and my mama to eat. Because I don't eat it. Now, I will eat eggs, like if it's in a cake, or, you know, people use it in the macaroni and cheese. I will not, like I said, no deviled eggs, no sunny side up, no scrambled, no egg, whatever y'all want to call it. Like, I don't eat that. Like, I eat an egg roll. But yeah, like, I usually use the whole egg, y'all, too, in my hair. But yeah, when I get off of work, I'm gonna come back with another video, like a part 2, but it's really not gonna be a part 2. Well, yeah, it'll be a part 2, but it's all gonna be in the same video. But yeah, I come back with a part 2 because I have 2 different curl. This is my, like I said, my on the go, like, natural curl pattern. But I also have like another one that I do with perm rods. And like I said, like, a lot of people are curious on how I get my curls. Like, so I'm gonna come back showing how I do that. Meaning I gotta wash this egg out because I don't want the egg to be in the perm rod set. Like, no, we're not doing that. But I just use the egg. Also, I leave the egg in my hair because I like how it holds my curls. Like, if I just went, y'all see in the beginning of the video, if I went all day with that, it wouldn't, I'll start turning afro-y. Like, y'all, come on now. Like, let's keep it a band. We African American here. Like, it'll start poofing up on me. I won't have no hang time. Shrinkage should be real. All that stuff. So the egg gives me a little hang time. It holds the curls in longer for me. I still get a little afro-y, but I still got more curls. Like, my curls still hold better all day for me. But yeah. I play too much. Okay. Y'all see a piece of egg? Get that out. It'll start cooking in your hair. Okay. But yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go off camera to add the rest of this egg because I feel like, yeah, y'all get the point. I'm gonna be back when I get off of work to wash this out and show you the next curl pattern that I wear, my next style with the perm rods. I'll be back. See y'all later. What's up, y'all? So part 1 showed me adding the egg to my hair. This is what it looks like what, 5, 6, 7 hours later. I don't even know what time I did that video, but the time is like 6:40, and this is what my hair like now. As you can see over here, we was together. Over here, I don't know what happened. Well, down here at the bottom, we got heat damage. That shows my heat damage. I should clip it, but I'm not, because I just got a trim. So, and I got my hair trimmed evenly. So yeah, but it's not much, so it can stay. Also, you see, I put more egg. You can tell I put more egg here because of the curl, the shine. Look over here, like, my curl pattern is there, but it's not like this. Like this, yes, this, but yeah. I'm gonna wash this egg out so I can show y'all my video on how I do my perm rod set. I'm not gonna come right back on camera to do this perm rod set because I'm super tired, and that's the thing I try to gear away from my perm rod set, because that junk is time consuming like a mug. So yeah, I'll be back.